In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Rocket Money account password quickly and efficiently. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need a fresh start for security reasons, resetting it is a straightforward process. So let's dive in and get that password reset. First things first, we need to go to the Rocket Money website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in rocketmoney.com. Once you've made your way to the home page, we're ready to proceed. Next, we want to locate the login page. If you look at the top right corner of the home page, you'll spot the login button. Click on it, and this will take you directly to the sign-in page where you usually enter your credentials. Now, under the login fields, you should notice a link that says Forgot Password. This is our ticket to getting a new password. So go ahead and click on Forgot Password. It will redirect you to the password reset page. Once you're on the password reset page, it's time to enter your email. Ensure you use the same email address that you originally used to create your Rocket Money account. It's crucial to double check that you've typed it correctly. After entering your email, click on Send Reset Link. Now, it's time to check your email inbox. Open your email client and look for a message from Rocket Money. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes emails can end up there. Once you've located the email, click on the password reset link that's provided inside. You will now be prompted to create a new password. Here's your chance to strengthen your account security. Make sure your new password is strong by using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. It's always a good idea to avoid easy-to-guess passwords or reusing passwords from other accounts. Once you've settled on a tough new password, confirm it and then click on Save or Reset Password. Finally, with your password reset, head back over to the Rocket Money site at rocketmoney.com. You're now ready to log back in. Enter your email and, of course, the new password you just set. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Rocket Money account password. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to reset your Rocket Money account password. Remember, keeping your password secure and updated regularly is a vital part of maintaining your online security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.